So I bought this product, some JB Weld. Hopefully you can see that. Quick setting steel reinforced epoxy, dark gray. I'm gonna try this on a piece of trim on the truck that is just needless to say, not right. It's a little thing, and if it doesn't fix, it's not that big a deal. You can see it's this here. You can see they've tried command strips, they've tried electrical tape, like double-sided electrical tape, command strips, all sorts of stuff in here. And just over time, it has just not worked. So I'm gonna try this. All right, so I'm gonna give this a go. I don't know that it's gonna work the way I want it to, even if I can just get that to kind of stay up there like that. The foam's coming out too. And you know, looking behind it, I mean, they did a job of command stripping up there too. Looking behind it, I don't want to make any too permanent seals, so I might just I don't know if this is gonna work at all. So part one problem is, can I get that to just stick up there? And then part two is, can I get this to stick to that at all? So probably gonna get the trim to stick to the molding. And then the trick is going to be, can I keep the molding there? It says this stuff sticks in like 6 minutes, I think it is. I guess we'll see. I mean, it seems like it's stuck up there pretty good. And then this is just a matter of pushing that all up in there. And then I've got this piece here which maybe will stay. We'll see. Thought, hey, what's something quick I can do on the Disco, because I really miss working on it. This was kind of my solution to that. Okay, what's in there? It's on my thumb too. Great. So I'll let go after a quick second, for whatever reason. And yeah, it obviously did not hold. So I'm gonna throw some more on here. Not exactly sure where it's making contact with the foam. Pretty sure it is on the sides there. Epoxy all over my hands. I should have worn gloves. So it goes. There's nothing I can do about it now. Obviously, if this doesn't work, I'm just going to replace the whole piece. Which I think will be okay. I just don't know. So I got arguably, I say arguably, and I do mean it, arguably smarter. Just kind of putting this piece up here. With that, let that sit. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna let that clamp go for a little bit, see what we get. Hopefully this works out. So far that did. So did this. Anyway, I'm gonna do, I think for now, let's undo this connection. Figure out how to do it. Wrapped up in something. Just undo this connection for now and reassess this. I think I know how to get the phone to stay put. Should I get this on? There we go. So what I think I can do is just probably pull this out or rescue the epoxy if I can, and just clamp this all down in the garage overnight so that it'll set, so that this stays there, and then figure out something for this. I've got this piece, and it looks like, well, maybe I say it's clear, but maybe it's not. Does it clamp in there? I'm not quite sure. And these brackets go where though? It's this bracket, like it doesn't go there. I don't know. Figure something out. And that's okay. clamp it in there, so it's all clamped. I'm just gonna let this sit. It says it cures in 6 hours, so should have a little bit of time tomorrow. I can mess with this. Not quite sure how I'm gonna get it to sit in that channel, but I'll figure that out tomorrow. So I took the clamps off, and you can see it's holding really well. I reconnected the connector. I'm just gonna see how it fits back in the channel here. Looks like it might fit better. And then go from there. I might try to get like a screw that'll fit in there. I'm just not sure what's gonna be the best option here. So let me put this in. So it slides in. Place it on. It's not bad. It's really not bad. There's this gap in here still. I'll tell you what, it's not bad. I put epoxy up there, but I took it off. Obviously, it didn't hold, but I wonder if I go up there with some epoxy, and maybe some right down the side, so that'll work. So I've got some super glue, just some regular Loctite multi-purpose. I think I'm just gonna add some right around in here, up top. Kind of where I had the epoxy before, and then kind of down the side here, to see if it'll work in there. I know super glue's hit and miss, but I'm not looking for a crazy hold. I feel like I'm not going to be using it as a handrail anytime soon. Maybe I will. What do I know? I don't think I've ever used so much super glue on anything in my life. Well, I'll hold this here for a few minutes and see what happens. So, I mean, I know it's probably not a huge seal, but I let go and it did not move. Obviously, it doesn't look the best. You see, out top, it still kind of looks like crap, but there it is. See how long it lasts. Hopefully it lasts a little while.